Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make some red chili. This red chili is delicious. You can use it to make enchiladas or put it in breakfast burritos, just on the side, on top of mashed potatoes, and pozole, all kinds of stuff. So, but this is the one that I just recently got at the Mexican market down the street here. So you can get it also at Walmart or King Supers. The grocery stores also carry them. It's not in this bag, but it is delicious. So these are the red chili pods. Of course, they're the best if you could get them fresh on the street. So anyway, you're gonna use the red chili pods. You always get the hot. Get that. I like ground pork, or you can use cube pork or hamburger meat, or turkey or chicken, whatever you want. You're also gonna use your spices, salt, pepper, garlic salt, and oregano. So you can use that. I'm gonna actually this time use the oregano doTERRA. It's very good and very tasty. So it brings out a lot of flavors. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you need to do first. You're going to need to clean the chili. So we're gonna cut off the stems and then get them to kind of soak a minute so that they soften up for with the blending. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so first you're going to want to get a bowl with some really hot water so take them soak. So next you're going to get the red chili, the dried red chili, and you're just going to cut the stem off. Okay, so it'll just look like that, and you're going to put it in the water to soak. So you're going to want to get these all cleaned out. I kind of let the seeds fall out into the trash, not a whole bunch, but I don't like mine too seedy, so that one doesn't look real good, so I'm just going to dump that one. That one looks good. Okay. Alright, so now I am going to fry up pork. So I'll get that on a good high temperature. Is that cooking? And I have this handy dandy chopper, oops, that makes it chop it up real nice. So got that through Pampered Chef, and it's used all the time. So you just kind of mush that up in there, separate it, and then chopper will do the rest. And wash my hands. Alright, so, okay, so I'm going to add some seasonings to the meat as well. Some salt, some pepper, and some garlic salt. I just kind of cover the meat so that it all gets flavored. Okay, and then once that starts cooking, we'll get that done. And now the chili pods have been sitting down for a bit in the water, so they're getting softer. So we're going to go ahead and get those blended while this is warming up to cook. Alright, so let me give this a quick little mix up here. While that's cooking. Okay. Looking good. And now I'm going to put the chili into the, you can see they're nice and soft now, so they'll blend up so much better and won't have like that little peeling taste to it. So it doesn't taste good with that when it's not all the way peeled. So I just put my colander chili into the bowl so that it catches all the juice at the bottom. So there's that, it's all done. Alright, so we're gonna put it into the blender here. Put it that way so you can see it. I'm gonna fill this with a little bit of water. Alright, so it's really more than a little bit of water, but as you can see, the water is about to here on the mixing bowl, whatever this is called. So you put that into your, make sure that the bottom is tight, or it's going to make a mess everywhere. All right, I throw in my salt. I don't know why I put pepper, but I just do. And some garlic salt. And a couple splashes or drops of oregano. And 3. Okay. I might have got 4 in there, but alright. Then you're gonna put the lid on. And it's gonna make a lot of noise for, you gotta leave it on for about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes so that it blends it up really good and just totally purees it. So I'm gonna turn that on and then continue to work on the hamburger, the pork meat. Hold on. Done. I'm going to show you how it looks when it's blending and how now we're going to give it a little test. Stir this real quick. Okay, turn that down. And the way I like to test it is just get a little piece of white bread. Fresh white bread is just super good. And that's how I taste the heat on it. They said it's going to be hot, so we'll see. I don't know if it's as hot as my daddy's New Mexico chili, but it should be good. So delicious. Alright, so next, very creamy. I don't taste any little parts in their shells or shells. You know, like the chili that's not cooked. So anyway, I'm gonna put some flour into the chili. I just kind of cover that up, and then that makes it. Okay, and then that'll make it nice and creamy. Thickens it up just a little bit. This one is not very greasy at all, so if it's greasy, you want to go ahead and strain it. Or drain it. Strain it. Gosh, all these words. All right, so I'm gonna put this chili in here, and then let that kind of cook together. A little bit of water to clean it out. Okay. Oh my gosh, what happened? Alright, so now we're going to stir that up and just let that cook together. I'm going to taste it again just to make sure if it needs any extra salt or any extra seasonings, but first just tasted perfect. So you just kind of set that there and let that cook. Alright, and so this is going to be part 1 of my two-part series of red chili. So this is the first part, is to make the red chili, and then we're going to make on the next part. Part 2 is going to be the enchiladas. So continue to watch. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe.